In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a auto clicker on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so depending what device you're on, I'm on an Android. We can use iOS. Go to your Play or App Store. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click on the search button, bottom of the page, where it says search apps and games. You want to type in auto clicker, like so, then hit enter. And now you're going to have a whole bunch of different search results appearing right in front of your eyes. So if we scroll down there, there's quite a few of these auto clickers. So now the one I like to use is probably the one that appears first. So it's Auto Clicker by True Developers Studio. So if I go ahead and click into this, at the point of time of recording, it's got 636,000 reviews, over 100 million downloads. So from here, we need to go ahead and click on the big blue install button. This is going to download it to your device and install it after that. And it's also verified by Play Protect. It's only a small file, 4 megs, so it should only take a few seconds. Once it finishes downloading, we want to go ahead and open up the auto clicker. Now we're greeting with this little pop-up, so accessibility service. So why do we use this permission? We use accessibility service API to implement core features such as simulating clicks and swipes on your screen. Do we collect private data? We do not collect private data, which is good peace of mind. And also here, this app needs the activation of an accessibility service to work. So please tap on OK, then choose auto clicker in the list and enable the service. So you can go ahead and watch a tutorial, but you watch your mind. So go ahead and continue, click OK. Then we need to click onto installed apps near the bottom of the page and see where it says auto clicker with a target. Click into that. Now from here, where it says off, toggle that to on and then click allow at the bottom of the page. And now we can head back to auto clicker. And now we should be able to enable single target mode or multi-target mode. So we can go ahead and click on enable either or of them. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching.